The Air Jordan 1 Low continues to be a go-to option for sneaker fans who want versatility, style, and everyday wearability. While building a sneaker collection can be easy for dedicated collectors, finding pairs that work season after season, and match specific outfits, is where the Jordan 1 Low truly shines. Despite ongoing discussions at Nike about scaling back heavily produced models, the Jordan 1 Low remains untouched, consistently releasing in fresh and wearable colorways. One of the latest additions features a clean mix of vintage Lichen off-white and medium olive, delivering a simple yet refined look. White accents on the midsole and branding help balance the two-tone design, making it easy to wear year-round. This colorway stays true to the Jordan 1 Low's reputation for clean aesthetics and everyday appeal. The Air Jordan 1 Low Vintage Lichen is expected to be part of Jordan Brand's Spring 2026 lineup and will release at its standard retail price of $115, making it an accessible option for both casual wearers and collectors.